We are here with my very first video at Whole Foods. Let's go shopping. Wild, I want anything that's wild. I'll take this salmon right here. Yep. And I love my Whole Foods. They help me record and everything. Okay, we got the almond milk now. Yes, I love this stuff, and it was on sale for $5.39. No extra BS, none of that. So yeah, I'm happy about that. I'm stopping now to get this fermented cabbage. It's absolutely amazing. You guys can eat it cold or you can eat it hot. Do what you do. I do both, so you know, I'm checking out this other one, and now I'm going in for these ginger shots. I love to just take these when I'm in the store, honestly. I'll just throw them back and then I'll buy them after. This fish oil is the bomb. It's a little pricey. Pause the screen and look at all of the ingredients in here. This stuff has helped my joints so much. For my 30 and over gang, you guys know what it feels like. Yeah. Chlorophyll, a must. We'll go over this recipe. I have a chlorophyll lemonade. These cookies are so good. You can eat them and not feel guilty about it. They're delicious. And then I ran into my friend Lana from Ocean Beach at the farmers market. We're yapping it up right here about our businesses and the new year and all the good things. So it's always good to see a friendly, familiar face. I told her I was recording, so I'm not one of those creepy people. We're actually about to move frame now, and we're gonna exchange Instagrams and all that fun stuff. Hugs. She purrs. I love that. And that's it. We're keeping it short and sweet. I'm doing dramatic outros here.
What we doing again?
That was
not natural.
That was good.
Cameraman for the day. One more time.